I'm going to read a wonderful book today based on an Indian tradition called Thread of Love. This book was written by Kabir and Sharishta Sagal and illustrated by Zara Hong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother G? Brother G? Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. While you're dreaming, I will start making you a rocky thread of love, thread of love. Cut, chop, chop, cut, chop, chop, carefully, carefully. Weave the threads together, weave the threads together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sparkle, glitter, sequins glow, sequins glow. Don't forget the tassel, don't forget the tassel. Swish, 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 swish. Here's your Rocky, I will tie. Hope you keep it always, thread of love, thread of love. Sister Kashi, merry fun, have a tasty jump, sweet, sweet treat, sweet, sweet treat. Brothers, sisters, cousins too, family, friends, and neighbors, thread of love, thread of love. Hello, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that story, Thread of Love. Do you want to learn how to make your own Rocky? Well, awesome! Now, parents and teachers, this is a great cultural craft opportunity. So let's get ready. Okay, so before we get started, I need you to ask Mom and Dad for a few things. You're going to need colorful thread. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need some clear craft glue. And you're going to need some decorative materials, whether it's beads or tassels or charms or bells or glitter, whatever you want to use to decorate your thread of love. Go ahead and pick those up. I'm going to give you a second, okay? Go. Okay, let's check off our 4 things. Thread, scissors, glue, and decorations. Good job. So here are your instructions for making your thread of love. Number 1. Okay, so get your parents' help with this one. You're going to need to pick 3 threads, and you're going to need to cut them to about 14 inches long, okay? Once you do that, tie those threads together into a knot, and that way your decorations won't fall off. All right, so number 2, you're going to weave or braid the threads together. Number 3, now you're going to put your decorations on your Rocky. So space them out and use knots to anchor them on. Step 4, now that you're at the other end of your Rocky, go ahead and make another knot like you did in step 1. Now, step 5 is optional. You can add some additional glue to your Rocky on the thread and then sprinkle some glitter on top. Step 6 is pretty simple. Put the Rocky in a safe place so it can stay and dry. Now, step 7 is the most important. You're going to choose a family member or friend to put your Rocky on and spread the love. Congratulations, you just finished your first Rocky. Thank you for spreading the love. And this is Mrs. Andrea signing off. See you next time. Bye-bye.